Hello everybody, Neil Bednar here, Port Arthur, Texas. And I just wanted to put this quick video together and show you about a tool that I came across a while back. I have been helping some people here over the last couple weeks. They've been having some trouble with their blogs. A lot of new challengers especially are creating their first websites. And I just wanted to kind of show you a tool that I came across a while back. It's called xheader, and of course you can get it up here at xheader.com, www.xheader.com. One thing I wanted to show you, it's a really simple tool to use. I have it saved to my desktop. It's only 4 kilobytes. I mean, it's not like you're downloading a big program or anything. It's real easy. You can use it once, twice, and then just delete it if you want. It is free to use, so that is the good thing about it. When you get to xheader.com, you just basically, you can read the pitch and go down to here to the bottom, I think, and it's a free download. So now when you get into xheader, they will ask you to, they will see if you want to buy more. You'll get a screen that looks just like this when you get in, and it'll ask you, do you want to buy 5,000 headers? Or you can just say no thanks. It's that simple. First thing I'd like to show you is they have, just thousands already. I think at least hundreds of really cool headers that you can use and start off with, as a template. And I'll kind of run through it kind of quick. It's been a while since I've actually made a header for somebody. But, there's just, if you look over here on the left, there is just lots of different categories. You got work, employment, fitness, and exercise. These are real popular, and they're very, very good images to use. This thing's going to slow down on me. Watch. Here we go. I'm sorry, the recorder slows my machine down just a little bit, so I'll try to move this a little slower. But they're just really, really good backdrops. Now, one of the things one of the ones I really love is this nature and wildlife. But I've used this to create some pretty cool headers for different people, for different sites. So I just thought I'd bring it to you and show it to you. Here is the actual platform in the back, and it works pretty much just like a regular open source editor. You have your select, which allows you to put your cursor anywhere on the board. You have your text, which allows you to create text boxes. Let's see if this. Yeah, you can see how slow that thing's running. I'm gonna find my cursor here. Here we go. You can create different colors, of course. I like the bright colors. Different fonts. There is, I don't know, just bunches and bunches of fonts. It just goes on forever. But you can change, of course, the size. Get it up there where you can see it. You can import images, and this is what I think is really cool. I used this when I was when I first got started. I used it to create my blog header. I'm sorry. And let's just say you put them side by side. It has this tool to use, pull one back to the front. You can take and lay one right on top of the other, and that's kind of hard to see, but let's bold it up a little bit. You can do different things with the colors. Let's say you created a shape here, and I got to let this thing catch up. It's running kind of slow. But let's say you create a shape, and you can, with these effects down at the bottom, you can do rounded corners. You can do very rounded corners. Of course, you can definitely type, on top of your boxes, and then change the colors, later. But what I wanted to do is just kind of show it to you and let you kind of see what all it can do. Again, this thing is running so slow I've lost my cursor again. There you go. Change your colors, and all your text will be displayed down in this box down here. But and then anything you want to change to it or do to it, you can. Bold it, italicize it, underline it. It's got cool secondary features that you can put on all your text. Let's see. There's a glow. There's a chisel. When you outline, which I don't particularly like, but you can do it. You can change the color. If you noticed up here, you can have an outline color and a print color. You can use this shadow effect, which is something that I think is really cool. If you add a shadow to something, let's say we pull this over just a little bit, and again, I ran this kind of quick. You can change how much shadow with this little slider. You can change how much it has, and I don't know. I just think the way it lays out on top of things, it could look really cool. If you were using a template, that is something that I think ends up really, really neat, is with some of the effects that it has. And I'll just pick any template here, and it'll pop it right in there. It'll ask you what size. This is probably the main reason why I brought this up, was when somebody had asked me about this. When you first pull up a new slide, it's going to ask you what size you want your header. And originally, somebody had asked me, how they could, with the different themes and stuff inside of WordPress, how they could resize their header. And typically, with a pre-made theme, you're not going to be able to change that header all too much. But with something like this, you really can. So that's, again, kind of why I wanted to put this together. The tools in it are really, really effective. So if you get a chance, stop by xheader.com and see how you like it. Again, my name is Neil Bednar, neilbednar.com. I just hope you have a great day, and God bless. Bye-bye.